Welcome to another video of me going through car boots trying to find stuff to sell on eBay and Etsy. This time it was so early in the morning that a lot of this video is a bit dark. I was freezing at the time, but the dark was the real problem. So I'm doing a little bit of voiceover in this video just so that I can explain some of the parts that might not be visible, and also just to change things up a bit. I'll give the money to you then.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I rescued that for going on the fire yesterday.
Really?
You need now.
So I bought Blue from Blue's Clues for £1. Blue is supposed to bark and play peekaboo, but unfortunately Blue does not bark, so I probably will hold off listing that for a little bit. How much for your mugs? This one and the green one?
£1 each. Yeah.
Let's see. Let's take a peek at this one. Would you take £1 for both?
£1.50.
Okay. There we go, there's 50p. So, there we go.
Cheers,
Thank you. So I saw this vintage Quality Street tin and I thought, perfect, it's going to be just in time for Christmas, but it had a big dent on it, so I just thought, leave it. It's not worth buying with the dent, even though it was only 50 pence. Now, I pick up a lot of Hanamex stuff, usually slide projectors, but this happens to be a bundle of letters that you could use to make a title. You would take a photo of it or film it, depending on what you're using it for, to make your titles back before everything was digital. So anyway, they were still in the box, really good condition. The box was a bit tatty, but whatever. I did list them, and I'll put a picture of that up here. It might be hard to see here, but I picked up a hand mixer and also a calculator. Now the calculator, I couldn't see in the dark, but the numbers weren't working right, and the hand mixer had a little bit of rust that I initially didn't see. So that's one of the bad things of not bringing a flashlight. Things. Good, how are you?
£2.
£2. I will do that. Thank you. There we go, sir.
Thank you very much, Start.
Thank you.
Yeah, one of the boxes.
How much for the thermos?
£1.
I will get you £1 then. Let me see. There we go. Thank you.
Very much.
So I spotted this Fisher-Price toolkit. I thought it was awesome. It reminded me of the medical kit I had as a kid from Fisher-Price, and I thought, oh yeah, I'm definitely going to get that. But I'm looking through the parts here, and I'm seeing that it's missing pieces. So I decided it just wasn't worth picking up, and I was going to leave it behind.
Pound each. What? Yeah, they're a pound each, Dad. Look at that, brand new they are. Yeah. No problem. Thank you.
Excuse me, how much for the radio? Yeah.
£3.
£3. All right. How much for that one?
That one right there, that one. £5.
Does it open up?
It works fine, yeah.
Do they?
Yeah.
I've had a couple bad ones.
You do, don't you? But we're genuine.
No,
Thank you. I'll get them both then. Thank you. So 8 it was?
Eight.
Yeah.
So you might have heard the gentleman there say that it's working fine. And the woman there say, you know, we're genuine, but they must not have tested this other one that I bought here. Not the Sony, that one works, but the this one here that I just picked up, the tape player was not working whatsoever. So I got to see if I can fix it.
How much for Tweety?
Peelu.
All right. Let's see.
All right.
How about 20p? How's that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Are you all right? I don't think I've got 10p.
No, 20's fine.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Yeah.
How much for the camera?
How much for that camera? Which one is it, love?
This one here.
5 you can have that one.
Fiver. Can you break a tenner?
I haven't listed this film camera yet. However, it has a bunch of accessories, all the extras with it. So I'm going to be aiming closer to the
There we go.
40-pound mark.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, I didn't get to pick up a whole lot at this car boot. A little disappointing, but you know, at the end of the day, still making a profit. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.